The origin. Thousands of years ago, small groups of Polynesians set out on canoes to faraway unknown lands. They used Polynesian navigation, or observation-based navigation, to find their way around the Pacific Ocean. Polynesia, meaning many islands in Greek, is a collection of over 1,000 islands spread out over a broad region of the Pacific Ocean known as the Polynesian Triangle. The islands include Hawaii to the north, Easter Island to the southeast, and New Zealand to the southwest. The Polynesian Triangle covers an area the size of North America and South America combined. Polynesia was first populated about 3,000 years ago when a people known as the Lapita journeyed eastward from New Guinea, arriving first in Tonga and Samoa. There, in what's known as the Cradle of Polynesia, a distinct Polynesian culture developed over a course of 1,000 years. Roughly 2,000 years ago, these Polynesians journeyed across thousands of miles of deep ocean to populate the Cook's Island, the Marquesas Island, French Polynesia, Hawaii, Easter Island, and finally, New Zealand. Observing navigation. Traditional Polynesian navigation, also called non-instrument navigation or wayfinding, means finding your way without any of the tools modern navigators take for granted, which means no GPS, no compass, no radio, or satellite reports. Instead, your clues about position, direction, and distance come from the stars, sun, and moon, from patterns in the ocean, including currents, ocean swells, and localized wave characteristics, from clouds, and even wildlife. Navigators must also keep a running mental log of their progress, always maintaining a sense of the distance covered and the present location. This requires a lot of mental, physical, and spiritual energy, needing to constantly be aware of your surroundings. One slip up and you may forget which way is east or which way was west. And when there are clouds above, using the stars isn't even an option. Wayfinding 101. There are 5 basic steps in wayfinding. They are: plan the route, set the course, find the land, and never get lost. I will be focusing on set the course because it concentrates mainly on stars being used for navigation. In place of a compass, Polynesian navigators orient themselves by using the stars, called a star compass. A star compass is an intangible object, but a mental map of the positions of stars rising and setting in the horizon. At any given location on Earth, a star will always rise at the same location on an eastern horizon and will always set at the same location on the western horizon. This is the basis of a star compass. The Hawaiian star compass divides the horizon into 32 houses, or hail in Hawaiian. Each house in the eastern horizon has a corresponding partner on the western horizon. A star that rises in the northeast in the house of Manu will set in the house of Manu in the northwest. Memorize which stars rise and set in which house, and you have a mental compass. Identify one rising or setting star, and from this, you know which way is north and which way you're pointing. Master navigators memorize the rising and setting positions over 200 stars. They also memorize various pointer stars, pairs of stars that point towards the celestial poles, that is, due north or due south. Hawaiians use groupings called star families to simplify the task of identifying stars. The brightest, most useful stars are collected into 4 families that span the entire night sky. The longest of these families, called Kaiwikuamuo, or the backbone, contains 2 of the most famous celestial guides, the North Star and the Southern Cross. Polynesian navigation today. These canoe voyages are more than just sailing. It's about preserving and celebrating culture, knowledge, traditions, and values. Coming aboard a canoe and living together with such a diverse community and bringing your own set of skills is so rewarding. Some say it's a way to connect back to Hawaiian ancestors and follow in their path. Others say it's a tool in challenging themselves and finding who they are, and having the opportunity and really understanding the responsibility that comes with navigation and being a crew member, and having a sense of pride in your accomplishments and your ancestors' accomplishments.